Cough syrup. It may offer relief against the common cold, but drinking more than the recommended dose can be a formula for a dangerous high.
Robo-tripping, they call it.
Robo-tripping or sipping scissor, which is glorified in the hit song Fly Like a G6. Today's teens are all too often abusing the cough medicine within their reach. And they're flooding YouTube with videos showing the effects. We've set up our cameras at John in Pleasantville, New York. And our actors, Jordan and Anthony, are pressuring Matthew to take a heavy dose.
You ready for some robo-tripping?
That sounds awesome.
You in?
I don't know about this.
Come on, are you scared?
What would you do?
Now what you do is you take this bottle and you drink it.
Why would I want to drink cough syrup?
Because it gets you high.
But it tastes disgusting.
I'm gonna do it right now. It's super easy.
I don't think I can drink it, dude.
Come on, don't chicken out now. You're too far.
This woman can't keep her eyes off our actors.
Come on, dude.
You wanna hang out with us?
We're both gonna do it. We have our own. Chug it right now.
Chug this now.
No, I can't.
Chug it.
You're being such a baby.
She's clearly frustrated.
Drink it.
Come on.
Come on.
He's saying no. I hear him saying no over and over and over again.
He's our friend. We want him to have fun.
This kid's smarter than you guys are. He doesn't need friends like you encouraging him to make stupid choices.
Why are you spoiling our fun?
Does he look like a kid having fun? You need to take your medicine and walk on out of here.
We tell our bullies to do just that.
You're such a wimp.
Come on.
Baby. Chicken?
You made the right choice, okay? Don't go join them, all right? What's in here?
I don't know, whatever they gave
Whatever
me.
they gave you.
She gets rid of the cough syrup
Yeah.
and replaces it with sound advice.
Don't let them pressure you. They are not good friends.
Come on.
Now, Matthew's so-called friends are at it again.
Dude, just shut up and drink it. Drink it. Drink it.
Just drink it.
Come on, stop being such a wuss.
It's fine. I just drank it.
And these two women can barely keep their seats.
It tastes disgusting.
Stop being a baby.
And with that, they're on their feet.
Come on.
Forget it. Go away. Stop that. This is inappropriate.
What are you talking about?
What? Cough syrup and soda? That's
Yeah.
not normal. And it's bad. And you're bullying him, telling him.
Look, we're just trying to help him have a good time.
No, that's not a good time. That's the start of drug abuse.
Another customer steps up to join their cause.
This is not fun.
Are you listening? Are you listening, sweetie? Yeah, you don't have fun like that.
These guys are trying to talk you into doing stuff that you're going to regret later.
And I'm looking at your face, and I'm looking at your face, and I know there's more intelligence up here.
Why are you interfering? Who are you guys to judge us on what we do for fun?
We're not judging you. Have you ever heard the phrase, it takes a village to raise a child? Whether you like it or not, I'm part of your village, and you're part of mine.
It's time to visit this village.
Oh, no.
Hi.
Oh, okay. Hi.
You're like a trio of heroes, are you?
I don't know about that. So whether they like it or not, we are your village. It is our business.
Like, is it safe to drink a whole bottle?
If this wasn't safe, why would my mom buy it?
The boys put on their act all day long.
It just tastes
Let
disgusting.
me get a video for school.
You want to be popular, right?
Come on, do it.
Do it. Chug, chug,
And we
chug.
find no shortage of people who diagnose this as a problem. This man alerts the authorities.
I didn't want to get involved in it specifically, so I snuck outside and I called the police.
This woman takes on the bullies herself.
You should find a different way to have fun.
Why?
Because if you overdose on Tylenol, you go into liver failure and you go in the hospital.
One thing is consistent.
If you want to be cool, drink it.
You're being a baby.
You don't want to be cool. You want to be healthy.
They all make it their business to stop the miseducation of Matthew.
I'm John Quinones. These are actors. You okay?
There was just no way we could stand by and let him swallow that. I mean, it's just like poison. I'm glad you stepped in when you did because I was going to grab him and, you know.
Now, this man steps up to the counter, and at first, we're not sure that he hears the boys' conversation.
I just think it's a bad idea.
Do you not like to have fun? Are you against having fun?
I love to have fun, but this thing...
Well, then why are you against this? This
will be
is
fun.
fun. This is liquid fun.
But as Matthew grabs a drink to wash down that liquid fun, it's clear that he is fully invested.
All right, here we go, here we go, here we go.
It's probably a bad idea
Why?
because people get hurt doing it.
Come on, let's go.
Who is this guy?
Guys, this guy said it was really bad.
So, are you gonna trust some random guy or are you gonna trust us?
Turns out this random guy takes a specific interest in Matthew's well-being.
You're gonna trust a stranger, but you're not gonna trust your best friends.
Would friends put you in danger?
Exactly. Would friends put you in danger? Come on.
When it's clear they would,
It tastes so bad.
Come on. Don't be a wuss. That's it?
No.
Do it again.
he attempts to rally others to Matthew's rescue.
We should intercede as adults. He's drinking cough syrup, and they are peer pressuring him to do it.
Just try to have fun. Come on,
He's
man.
our friend.
Little guy, trust yourself. Trust yourself. What does your gut tell you you should do?
You don't know these people. We're your friends. They aren't.
I know, but all this stuff says it's really bad.
And when our bullies leave,
This is ridiculous. Can we just go?
We're talking about fun.
Come on, guys.
he shows Matthew what true friendship really looks like.
Can I sit with you? Tell me about your drink. You want something?
I'm fine.
I think you made a good decision.
They said it would be cool, but
They were really, really pushing you in a way that I could tell you weren't comfortable with.
And I'm sure you're in many, many ways.
I'm telling you, the cool kids at the end of the day are the kids who aren't robo-driven. You're the
I'm
man.
fine.
You did the cool thing. I promise you.
He even settles in with his lunch and a wealth of brotherly advice.
Why do you want to be friends with them?
I've been friends with them since I was in like 5th grade. I have known them forever.
That's a really tough position to be in.
Like-
I can understand why you'd be worried. The same thing is going to happen to you a million other times in life.
Yeah.
You should be able to say no to your friends. What's your name?
Matthew?
Me too.
No. Nice to meet you, Matthew.
We'd like to meet this Matthew as well.
How you doing? I'm John Quinones. This is part of a TV show
No way.
called What Would You Do?
No way. Are you kidding me?
No!
I was like ready to cry for this kid. I'm like, come on, dude. Wow.
You got tears in your eyes.
I don't know. I just couldn't bear to watch that.
Why did you get involved?
I was a very uncool kid in middle school, elementary school. Didn't have that many friends. And I don't know, now I work hard and I see what happens to all the kids who are drinking cough syrup.
It's pretty impressive, you know?
Everyone feels that pain. That's like, everyone knows what that feels like.
You've been there.
Everyone. Yeah.
Hi guys, John Quinones here. Thanks so much for checking out our YouTube channel. There's so much more to see. So click on this red button down here, the one that says subscribe, and you won't miss another What Would You Do moment. Enjoy.